Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets. In today's video, we'll look at 15 ways investors are using ChatGPT to get rich in the stock market. So before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly investment ideas and strategies. Let's get started. What is ChatGPT? OpenAI, a leading research organization in the field of artificial intelligence, made ChatGPT, which is a language model. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which is a type of deep learning model that uses a transformer architecture to generate natural language text. As a language model, ChatGPT is trained on massive amounts of text data from the internet, including books, articles, and other forms of written content. This training allows ChatGPT to generate human-like responses to text prompts and questions. ChatGPT could be used as a chatbot, a customer service representative, a language translator, and an information retrieval system, among other things. In terms of finance and investments, ChatGPT can be used to analyze financial data, do market research, and give advice and suggestions about investments. One of the key advantages of ChatGPT is its ability to process and generate natural language text, which makes it a powerful tool for communicating with humans. By using ChatGPT, people and businesses may be able to automate a wide range of tasks that would normally need human help. How are investors using ChatGPT? Market research is an important part of making investment decisions because it helps you find possible investment opportunities and evaluate their risks and returns. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can help investors do market research by analyzing huge amounts of data from many different sources, such as financial reports, news articles, and social media posts. For example, ChatGPT can look at a company's financial report to find trends in revenue and profits, as well as to figure out how healthy the company's finances are and what its long-term prospects are. For example, ChatGPT can look at a company's financial report to find trends in revenue and profits, as well as to figure out how healthy the company's finances are and what its long-term prospects are. ChatGPT can also keep an eye on news stories to find out what's going on in certain industries or markets that could affect investments. With that said, let's review our list of the 15 ways investors are using ChatGPT to get rich in the stock market. Number 15. Market research. Investors can use ChatGPT to do market research on possible investments, such as looking at financial data, industry trends, and how well a company is doing. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can look at a huge amount of data from many different sources, such as financial reports, news articles, and social media posts, to find possible investment opportunities. This can help investors make informed decisions about where to invest their money. Number 14. News analysis. ChatGPT can provide real-time updates on news that's related to companies, markets, and industries that investors may be interested in. By monitoring news sources from around the world, ChatGPT can help investors stay up to date on developments that could impact their investments. Number 13. Risk analysis. ChatGPT can help investors figure out the risks of certain investments or market conditions. By figuring out what risks might occur, investors can make better decisions about how to spend their money. Number 12. Sentiment analysis. ChatGPT can help investors analyze the sentiment of the market or a particular stock. It can help investors find trends and biases that might affect their investments by looking at data from social media, news articles, and other places. Number 11. Portfolio analysis. Investors can use ChatGPT to analyze the performance of their portfolios and identify areas where they may need to make adjustments. By analyzing data on past investments, ChatGPT can help investors make better informed decisions about future investments. Number 10. Prediction modeling. ChatGPT can help investors build models that can predict future market trends and possible investment opportunities. By looking at past data and finding patterns, it can help investors predict what will happen in the future and make better investment decisions. Number 9. Technical analysis. ChatGPT can look at technical indicators like moving averages and support levels to help investors decide what to do. Monitoring price movements and identifying patterns, it can help investors make better informed decisions about when to buy or sell. Number 8. Fundamental analysis. ChatGPT can help investors analyze the financial statements of companies and assess their value relative to their current market price. Analyzing data on revenue, profits, and other key metrics can help investors make better informed decisions about which companies to invest in. Number 7. Natural language processing. ChatGPT can process large amounts of text data, such as financial reports and news articles, to identify key information and trends. Analyzing this data can help investors identify potential investment opportunities and risks. Number 6. Algorithmic trading. Investors can use ChatGPT AI to create algorithmic trading strategies that can make trades automatically based on criteria that have already been set. By automating trades, investors can potentially reduce their risk and improve their returns. Number 5. Chatbot integration. Investors can use ChatGPT AI to build chatbots that give users personalized investment advice and suggestions. Chatbots can give personalized investment advice by looking at user data and preferences. This can help users make better decisions. Number 4. Sentiment analysis for social media. Investors can use ChatGPT to look at how people feel about things on social media sites like Twitter and Reddit to find investment opportunities or risks. By keeping an eye on what people are doing on social media, investors may be able to spot trends and patterns that could affect their investments. Number 3. Trading signal generation. Traders can use ChatGPT to get trading signals based on patterns or conditions in the market. By looking at data on past market trends and patterns, investors can find possible ways to make money. Number 2. Data visualization. ChatGPT can help investors see complex data sets, like the changes in stock prices, so they can spot possible trends and patterns. Presenting data in a clear and understandable way, it can help investors make better informed decisions about their investments. Number 1. Language translation. Using ChatGPT, investors can translate financial data and news from different languages. This gives them access to investment opportunities all over the world. By translating data from different languages, investors might find new ways to invest that they would have missed otherwise. ChatGPT can also help investors figure out how people feel about certain companies or markets by looking at posts on social media. This can be a useful way to predict future market trends. By doing market research with ChatGPT, investors can learn about possible investment opportunities they might not have thought of before. This can help investors make more informed investment decisions and potentially achieve higher returns. Additionally, by leveraging the power of AI language models like ChatGPT, investors can save time and resources that would otherwise be spent on manual research and analysis. As an AI language model, ChatGPT has many potential applications in the field of finance and investment. ChatGPT can help investors make better investment decisions, predict market trends, and find risks and opportunities by analyzing large amounts of data from many different sources. While ChatGPT can provide valuable insights and analysis, it is important to note that it should not be used as a substitute for human judgment and expertise. Investment decisions should be made based on a combination of data analysis, market research, and human intuition. As with any investment strategy, there is always a degree of risk involved. Before making an investment decision, it's important to do a lot of research and analysis and, if necessary, talk to a financial advisor or other professional. Overall, ChatGPT represents a powerful tool for investors looking to stay ahead of the curve in today's fast-paced financial markets. By using AI and natural language processing, investors might be able to make better decisions and earn higher returns. This concludes our list of the 15 ways investors are using ChatGPT to get rich and build wealth in the stock market. As always, it is essential to do your due diligence before committing your hard-earned cash to buy stocks or invest in the market. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your investments.